Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of stylus pens, and we've got something special to show you. Get ready to experience the ultimate creative tool. Join us as we unbox and explore the incredible features of the Stylus Pen for iPad. As we unbox, you'll find the user manual, 3 replacement tips. It comes with an upgraded replacement tip. It's crafted from the same material as official Apple Pencil tips, ensuring better durability, higher sensitivity, pixel precision, smooth performance with no lag, no skips, and no scratches. Plus, you can easily find replacement nibs on the market, so you'll never run out. USB-C cable for charging. Finally, Stylus Pen itself, elegantly designed and ready to bring your ideas to life. Now, let's talk features. It is a perfect companion for a wide range of iPad models, including the iPad Pro, iPad, iPad Air, and iPad Mini, launched from 2018 onwards. That's right, this stylus is compatible with iPad Pro 12.9-inch 3rd, 4th, 5th generations, iPad Pro 11-inch 1st, 2nd, 3rd generations, iPad 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th generations, iPad Air 3rd, 4th, 5th gen, and iPad Mini 5th, 6th generations. Very easy to replace tips, but also it can interchange with Apple Pencil tips. In the meantime, please consider showing your support by liking and subscribing for more thrilling tech updates. Ever wanted a stylus that attaches magnetically to your iPad? Well, this one does. It's a convenient feature that ensures you won't lose your stylus. Using it couldn't be simpler, no app or Bluetooth connection required. Just a quick double tap turns it on or off. Capture quick screenshots and jot down notes effortlessly, all without the need for Bluetooth connectivity. This stylus is designed for seamless, hassle-free use. But unfortunately this one doesn't have pressure sensitivity, and doesn't support wireless charging. What sets this stylus apart is its incredible tilt sensitivity, ranging from 30 to 90 degrees. Whether you're an artist, note taker, or graphic designer, this feature gives you unparalleled control over your work. Need it in a hurry? No worries. This stylus offers fast charging and a long-lasting battery. Just a quick 1-hour charge provides a whopping 20 hours of work time. Plus, it's designed to save power, automatically entering sleep mode after 5 minutes of inactivity, with an astonishing 365-day standby time. So, whether you're an artist, student, or professional, this Stylus Pen for iPad offers top-notch performance across a wide range of iPad models. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your digital creativity. Get yours today. If you found this unboxing and review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.